The ultimate post-workout powerhouse, this protein shake is designed to maximize recovery and muscle growth by delivering essential nutrients immediately after workouts. The base. High-quality whey protein isolate. Use whey protein isolate for its fast absorption and high biological value, ensuring your muscles get the amino acids they need quickly. The muscle repair champion. Creatine monohydrate. Add a teaspoon of creatine to support strength, muscle endurance, and recovery during intense training sessions. Bananas. The energy booster. Incorporate 1 medium banana for natural sweetness, potassium to reduce cramps, and carbs to replenish glycogen stores, healthy fats for sustained energy. A tablespoon of almond butter provides monounsaturated fats that help repair muscle fibers and keep you energized. Fiber-packed additions. Include a tablespoon of chia or flax seeds to promote digestion, ensuring better nutrient absorption for muscle repair. The secret weapon. Spinach. Blend in a handful of spinach for iron, magnesium, and vitamins A and K, which support oxygen delivery to muscles and recovery. Coconut water for electrolytes. Use coconut water as the liquid base to replenish lost electrolytes and aid in hydration post. Complex carbs for long-term energy. Add half a cup of rolled oats to provide a slow-release energy source for sustained performance. Supercharge with antioxidants. Toss in a handful of blueberries to combat free radicals generated during intense workouts, reducing inflammation. Collagen peptides for joint health. Include a scoop of collagen for added benefits to joints, tendons, and overall tissue repair. Cinnamon for a metabolic kick. Sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon to enhance the shake's flavor, while boosting metabolism and balancing blood sugar levels. Milk alternatives for versatility. Opt for unsweetened almond or oat milk for a creamy texture and a lower calorie count, suiting various dietary preferences. Greek yogurt for extra protein. Add a dollop of plain Greek yogurt to increase the protein content and make the shake creamier. Natural sweeteners only. Use a teaspoon of honey or a date for sweetness instead of processed sugar to avoid energy crash. Add a dash of vanilla extract. A touch of vanilla extract elevates the taste without adding unnecessary calories. Timing is key. Drink this shake within 30 to 60 minutes post-workout when your body is primed to absorb nutrients for optimal recovery. Customizable for your fitness goals. Adjust the ingredients to suit your needs. Add more oats for bulking or reduce almond butter for cutting. Cost-effective and better than store-bought. Homemade shakes like this save money and ensure you control the quality of every ingredient. A challenge for results. Commit to drinking this shake daily for 2 weeks, combined with your training, to see noticeable improvements in muscle tone and energy levels. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.